Malamang nasabi mo na rin sa sarili mo na busy ka kaya hindi ka pa makapag-start ng fitness o kaya wala ka pang time para makapag-meal prep or mag-ayos ng nutrition mo. Pero sa time na nagko-coaching ako, yung mga clients ko naman, wala namang special sa schedule nila. Meron din silang work, may business, may family, sobrang busy din nila sa mga ganap in life. It's not that marami silang time mag-workout or sobrang dami nilang downtime din para magluto at mag-prepare ng meals nila to hit their protein, their macro goals. Yung secret lang sa ginagawa nila is, of course, they have their priorities. Kung busy ka kasi you're saying na, I wanna work first kasi that's what's gonna feed my family, that's what's gonna pay my rent, my house, that's very valid. Pero in the same breath, kung sakitin ka, kung lagi kang naka-leave kasi masama pakiramdam mo, mahihirapan ka rin to do all those things that you love for your family and provide for them. So in a way, you have to put yourself first, not because na selfish ka, but kailangan mong alagaan yung sarili mo kasi kung di mo alagaan yung sarili mo, paano mo alagaan yung iba? One example is my client Drew na literal within our program nag-travel pa siya 2 times outside of the country and still lost fat. Another example is my client Dennis who is getting leaner while starting a business here in the Philippines. So I think it's time to reframe that mentality na pag busy ka, kailangan work lang, kailangan kung paano lang kumita ng pera, gano'n, tapos hindi pwedeng mag-workout, hindi pwedeng ayusin ng wellness. Kasi you can definitely do both and it's important that you do both. Not just for yourself but for the people you love.